Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasir Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel CSS My Vision, English Precis and Composition. We will cover its syllabus in different sections. This time we have a section of grammar. Today we are going to discuss about parts of speech. Let's start the lecture. There are 8 parts of speech. We will discuss all the 8 parts of speech in this lecture just as a short intro. But in the upcoming lectures, we will discuss all these parts of speech in detail and all their rules and all their types. So the first part of speech is noun, which comes from the Latin word nomen, which means name. It is used to name a person, a place, a thing, a quality, an action, or an abstract idea. A person like a girl, a boy, a thing like a bag, an abstract idea like a democracy, and a joy. The next part of speech is pronoun, which comes from the late Middle English pronouny and another Latin word pronomen, which comes from 2 words. The first is pro, means name, and the next is nomen, means naming. It is used to replace a noun or another pronoun. For example, he, she, it, we, you, they. The next part of speech is adjective, which comes from the Latin word additivus, which means to add to. It is used to modify a noun, a pronoun, or other substantive. For example, timid baby, red pencil. The next part of speech is verb, which comes from the Latin word verbum. It is used to express existence, action, or occurrence of a subject or an object. For example, go, come, bites, has. In a sentence, we use go as a verb, come as a verb, bites as a verb, has as a verb. So the next is adverb, which comes from the Middle English adverbi and the Latin word adverbium. It is used to modify a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a phrase, or a clause. For example, quickly, there, tomorrow, etc. Quickly as a manner, there as a place, tomorrow as a time. These are the types, but we will discuss them in the upcoming lectures. The next is preposition, which comes from the Latin word preposito and from the proponere, which means to place before. And preposition is a connecting word showing the relation of a noun to some other words of sentence, like we use in a sentence as by, at, in, on, to. These are all are prepositions. The next is a conjunction, which comes from the Latin word conjunction and which means a joiner. Which meaning joining. It is a joiner which connects the words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. For example, and, but, or, etc. And the next is interjection, which comes from the Latin word inter, means between, iquo, meaning through. It uses to express just emotions. And for example, hurrah for the joy, oh for the regret, hi for calling someone. And one more thing is that interjection words are followed by an exclamation mark. So it was today's lecture. I hope you will understand. If you want to get all my lectures, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.